Welcome. Here we have perform varying statement. Perform varying statement execute the statements block or procedure. As we know, perform is iteration statement. There are different kinds of perform. Simple perform, perform with times, perform through, perform until, and perform vary. It is inline or outline perform. Now we are going to repeat code block. Statements block with the perform varying statement. Perform varying identifier from by increment 1 until condition. This code block will be repeated until the condition is true. Here is output. This is perform varying and this is procedure 2. Below of program is continue to the procedure 2 after perform. If we put here stop run, then program will be terminated. Perform procedure 2. Here I remove stop run. This is 11. Whenever perform will be completed, then flow of program goes to after perform statement. Put here stop run. Here I use simple perform, which will perform procedure 2 once. After performing of procedure 2, control of program return after the perform statement. Here I write display statement. Perform procedure and return after performing flow of the program will remain continue. Perform procedure 2 5 times. Repeat procedure 2 5 times. After performing procedure 2 5 times, then control of the program will continue after perform statement. Here is display statement. Respectively, all other perform statement works like that.